Shout out to D Kane on the beat.
Shout out to D Kane.
I just told you, man. You already know what's up over here.
Salute HGE.
HGE, EMG.
Yeah.
Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Hold up. Wait. Just like that. Hold up. Wait. Just like that. Wait. I'm chillin'. I'm on it platinum. These niggas flexin' and they breaking up the damn code. The G code. You better check my status. You better check my shit. You better check my shoes I got on my Nike, bitch. So you better run fast, dude. I'ma do it. Just bow my head to the beat and then run through it. I do not have the right. I just do that for insight. Tell these dudes better get they ass left when I write. Tell them niggas I'm out of sight. Salute me, dog. I'm G1 gone. Y'all niggas better call somebody on the damn phone. Tell them niggas that y'all need to come take dude from the way to home. Tell these dudes that he feeds on the east. G's on the east all goddamn day. Tell them niggas about JR2. Tell them EMG, hell no, they don't play. They don't play.
EMG, we don't play. We spray them days. We'll spray the K, y'all bitch niggas, y'all gon' late. Thought this shit was Kool-Aid, now this shit here straight blade. Nigga wanna see me? Now I just adjust my hat. You see the shit to the back. Hey. It's going to the right side, cause that's what it's at. Hey. I put my E's in the L, hey. And throw the falls like that. Hey. And nigga wanna play with me, come see me by there. Hey. Not by no bitch, no, but don't come try me. No. Yeah, I'm talking to you, cause yeah. I know you probably watching. Hey. Yeah, you keep on peeping. Hey. Tell me what you see. Check gang. Yeah, you see them E's on the back of my sleeve. Hey. I'm gone. He gone. He said he gone. Now he done put lil' LTM back on the microphone. You know I'm Barry Bunny shit. I'm gonna take it home. Right. First, second, then third. Switching gears, G1. Once again, I'm gone. You better understand LTM mean follow the money. You don't do that, I'm laughing at you. Ha ha, you're funny. So stop with the flexing. Not the one to be testing. I'm leaving them in pieces. That's how you gonna be resting. Look, I kill the beat. I'm killing your instrumentals. The shit that you damn right, I'm better. That's off the mental. Dude, don't need no pencil. Nigga, don't need no pen. Crank the beat up and I go. Tell me where to begin. I got these run-on sentences like I done lost my mind. I done told these dudes I'm here with this shit. So fight with these rhymes. This shit right here take time. This shit here's on the grind. I do this shit. Gotta get some shit up on my mind. So how you wanna do it? We can do it just like that. Check game. I'm a nigga right here. My nigga JR in the back. He twisting up a sack. Them extendos, they in here. You better stop talking. You talking, but we been here. Hey, and we been real. 12 inches of 12 inches of loud. I'm blowing that off in the crowd. I'm going crazy with a smile on my face. Cause I'm looking happy. You do better stop playing them like a turtle. Boy, I'm snapping. Damn, leave the scene, they like what happened in FTM be there. You know this shit gon' get tragic. You better tell them I put one to your cerebellum. I like this like my kush. I pop and then you smell it. What that smell? I smell a damn murder scene. I got the caution tape right here, nigga. Fuck you mean? What you wanna do? Whole lot of real niggas, they on my team. We doing this shit while y'all niggas be sleep, living in a dream. Better stop playing, nigga. This the real world. Hell yeah, nigga. I done took your girl, I done took your money, I done took your cash, I done took your ass, nigga. Stop playing with him. That chick be on my job, and birds of a feather, they coming by the flock. It ain't no pressure. I bless her. If she in the crib, I catch her. No, we gon' smash. That's all the muscle. She like to wrestle with me. She like to tussle. Hey, let me go. Oh, I'm done, man. Hey, let me stop this shit.